ERP for managing different kind of resource in their business. And the department who is responsible for doing maintenance, I can say the person who have done BTech in mechanical or BE in mechanical, so he can or she can easily understand what is PM module. So the PM module is nothing but PM stands for plant maintenance.
Mm.
Okay, and by using PM, you can manage and optimize the resource across your organization with your real world knowledge. So this is the reason I will suggest you to move ahead for SAP PM training. Okay,
Mm.
so this is the introduction. So SAP stands for System Application Product in Real-Time Data Processing, where S stands for System, A stands for Application, P stands for Product in Real-Time Data Processing. SAP is a ERP product. SAP was introduced by SAP AZ in 1972 and Waldorf, Germany. SAP was founded in 1972 by 5 IBM employees. SAP is a German-based company, as I have told you. Its headquarters in Germany. SAP have different business solution product as per business demand, but basically here we will discuss about the ERP, because for the which kind of industry we are looking for opportunity, for that kind of industry the suitable ERP product suitable SAP product is a SAP ERP. So as we are working or sometime we are fresher and we have knowledge of the production or mining metal power, so I can suggest SAP have a good suitable product as a SAP ERP. SAP launched its product, which is a software program in its name itself, SAP. That's why they called it as a SAP ERP. So this is the introduction about SAP. Okay, so now I'm moving for the next introduction of ERP. Here you will get more and more information about the ERP. Why? Because we know ERP is stand for Enterprise Resource Planning, but we don't know whole picture of about the SAP and ERP. So where by this picture you can understand ERP stand for Enterprise Resource Planning, E stand for Enterprise. You can understand and you can imagine it is a huge business organization where we work and resource like a money, material, manpower, machinery, market, and method. So resource is nothing but I can say the minimum resource that is required to establish or build a organization. I can say set up a industry. At least you need 3M like a money, material, manpower. Then you can set up a industry and then you can start your production. So to start your production, you need some machinery at least. Okay, so every resource are interrelated with each other. Suppose if you have money and if you doesn't have a manpower and material, you can't start your production. If you have money, if you have manpower, but you don't have any raw material, you can't start your production. If you have money, material, manpower, but if you don't have a machinery, you can't start production. So just I want to interrelate this. Plant maintenance or machinery department is a very crucial department for every kind of industry, which are I can say which are being happen, or I can say they are doing manufacturing, they are doing production, they are doing everything, every kind of activity. So machinery or I can say plant maintenance is a very important part of this ERP module, where you can understand it is its purpose to manage any organization or company function. It is a way to integrate the data process of organization into a single system. So this is the introduction about the SAP and ERP. Now I'm moving for the next. So here you will understand how you can learn SAP. So let me explain about it. So what is happening here? What is happening here? So due to digital transformation in industry revolution, each and every organization wants to adopt SAP system to automate their business, enhance their productivity, improve their production, and so that they can reduce production loss, so that they can reduce maintenance cost, so that they can reduce I can say operational cost. So as day by day, many company are adopting SAP ERP system for their organization or company. Simultaneously, the demand of SAP consultant are increasing day by day. SAP PM module department, or I can say SAP PM module or department is a major module department for any of organization, and it play important role for any of organization. As this module or department is responsible for management of maintenance. Okay, They manage and keep plant and machinery in optimal condition and always available for production. It helps to reduce operational and maintenance cost and better planning and reporting. So this is the use of SAP PM module in any kind of industry, I can say, and you can transform your, I can say, business by using SAP ERP system. So this is the overview of SAP PM module. Now, if you will take training, as you know, basically because you earlier you have worked as a network engineer and Salesforce developer in two different organizations, so you know what is the benefit of this course. So I'm not going to more focus on this, but nowadays I can say more and more company are implementing, as I have told you. Due to this reason, the demand of SAP PM consultant are, I can say, are rising day by day, and you can transform your career with SAP PM training program. If you are working professional, or if you have done your B.Tech or graduation in mechanical or any of the stream, you can take this training. Okay, you can take this training. So this is the very important part. Sometime, I can say a student or sometime, candidate get confused. If I have done B.Tech, how I can? So as you have told, if you have done B.Tech in B, so it will be easy for you to understand and understand and correlate every technical terms with your module, with your technical skills and your knowledge. So I can say this course is a very, very important for you if the someone have done B.Tech as mechanical or B, and anyone can improve or boost their career by switching their career as a SAP PM consultant. Okay, so now I'm moving for the next. What will be the time period? And is there any kind of programming language which is required for PM or not, or it is completely practical or not, or theoretical, I can say. So just I want to clear your doubt. The training timeline will be 90 days. Our institute provide you server, SAP server, where we will do practice. We will do more practical things. Okay, and this training will be 50% theoretical and 50% practical. And I want to clear one more thing. No programming language, or I can say no any kind of coding will required for this training. Okay,
Okay.
and this is my training plan. This is my strategy. As you have worked as a network engineer, I don't know you have done some planning or not, but this is my planning. So my training will start from, means first I will initiate the training, then I will move for the business blueprint design, then I will do some development work, then I do in the sense we will initiate the training, we will work on the business blueprinting, we will work on the development, we will work on the deploy, we will work on the run phase, and we will support. So this is the part. Okay, first training initiation will be happen in first month. Even after few days or 15 days, I can say business blueprint design will start. After that, we will start simultaneously development, then deploy and run. In third month, I will completely help you for your preparation for the interview. I will help you to crack the interview like Accenture, Deloitte, Capgemini, Cognizant, like that company. I will build your Naukri profile. I will build your LinkedIn profile. I will make more and more connection with SAP PM consultant. I will build your resume. Everything I will do from my side. And this is my training index, which I will cover during this training. So lot of content are there, but I have added few of them. Okay, so that you can understand related to this. So in project preparation phase, we will start from the scratch, where you will able to learn this from the scratch level, and what is digital transformation, what is the implementation method, and this part is first two phase are total theoretical, and last three part is a total practical. So that's why I have told you this is a 50% practical, 50% theoretical. Okay.
Okay.
So if yeah, meanwhile,
Yeah.
if you have any doubt, you can ask me, please.
Yeah, sure, sir. The 50% theoretical means the theoretical part, as I know, like what I got to know, right? Theoretical means the complete PM module course, how the content will be there and related to things. If
Right.
50% practical means in that practical you are going to like we are going to do some projects or real time projects like
Right,
that, or
right, right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You are absolutely correct here.
mm,
So, because previously your experience is not relevant to SAP PM, so for
mm,
your foundation, I have to start work from the scratch. Scratch in the sense, what is
mm,
SAP, what is
mm,
SAP server, what is landscape, what is a lot of things I have to start to
mm,
make you understand,
mm,
so that you can understand completely about this program first. I will
ah,
take 1 week to give you overview of this program. So in this week, I will give you very very basic things like you have done BTech in B in mechanical, but how we do maintenance, what are the type of maintenance,
mm,
what are the role of the maintenance, what is the benefit, what is the advantage, and how we are going to do that maintenance in SAP PM system.
mm,
Okay,
mm.
because
Okay,
so
sure.
if we are going to do any kind of thing practically in SAP PM system, or I can say SAP ERP system, we have to understand the background.
Mm.
Likewise, just I want to move.
Okay. And
Suppose
it will exactly 90 days or it requires more time,
no,
sir?
no, no. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. It will vary. If that will require 4 month or 5 month, we will help. No
No,
need to
no,
about.
no, sir, not like that. The course and what you are saying, that course will complete within 90 days or it requires time, sir?
No, no. It totally depends on you. Suppose
Mm.
we have much time. Much time in the sense we have 90 day of time, targeted time. So
Ah,
in
sir.
between, we will try to complete our course within 16 days, and last 30 days or more than 30 days we will work on the practice. Practice in for which? For the interview.
Ah, sir.
Overall everything will complete within 60 days, but we
Ah,
will work for the interview, how we are going to give the
ah,
interview,
ah,
what kind of question they will ask.
ah,
I will help you to receive call or email from the Infosys, Accenture,
ah,
Wipro,
sir. From
like
third
this.
month, you will start work on that. We are working
Yes.
on that from third
Yes,
month.
yes. And if suppose that meanwhile, if you will be not able to cover all of the content,
Mm.
sometime you will have some doubt. So all of things we will cover in the third month. So what will be happen? We will get much time so that, and this is a not we are here to providing you consultant level training, not a individual level training. We are not here, I am not in a hurry, so that we have I can say I have very targeted time, within this target I have to complete. No, we will
Oh,
take
ah,
whole
sir.
time. Yeah, we will utilize our time. If required more time, we will come for that also. No
Why?
need to.
Why?
Yeah.
Because I was stressing and saying that particular means I have already wasted in the sense I already gone through 1 year break, right? So why I need to take a lot of time as per your teaching, as per your thought, as per your support. I'll go on the daily basis within the time period. I'll try to with my 100%. I thought to complete within the particular time. So I was asking like any gap will be there or any.
No, no,
So
no. Okay, I got it. There will be no any gap. We will
uh,
cover on regular basis. We will cover 7 day in a week. Don't worry about it. But
sir.
don't worry. Don't get no. Don't get much stress. I can say why? Because you are going to start your career in different domain. Whatever the things happen in past, let it be.
Hmm.
Complete forget completely, but please
Sir.
focus on the current things. Okay, and I can give you guarantee, with guarantee, after 2 months you will receive call from multiple IT company, and you will crack the interview. I can give you guarantee. Why? Because I have multiple student right now. Because what I do help. I do help in the sense I will build everything that will be helpful for you to crack the interview. My motive of this training is to provide you job. I
Sir.
will give you 100%. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Hmm.
So let me explain some more information about the introduction as SAP. So here you can see I have earlier told you SAP stands for System Application Product in Real-Time Data Processing. It is a German-based company. It was founded in 1970. This is the theoretical part. Why I'm telling you? Because once you will be in the part of interview, they will ask you what do you mean by SAP.
Sir.
Okay, then so Kalauti, I want to know about you. From where you are?
I was from Bangalore, sir.
Okay, great, great.
And I
So you are
looking job in Bangalore location only, sir.
definitely you will get Accenture right now. Accenture hiring for a Bangalore location. They are giving much opportunity to fresher. I can say. Okay, few of candidates have joined Accenture Bangalore. That's why I have asked you. Okay,
Sir.
don't worry.
And in
Yeah.
the fresher, yeah, sir, I know I was discussed with already with Vinay, sir. Like
Mhm.
fresher in this is for SAP, they will consider me as a fresher, and the domain experience they will consider, like IT industry experience, they will consider. Based on that only, people will build my profile and push, right?
Right, right. It totally depends on your knowledge because they don't know what you have done in Wipro, what you have done in, I
Ha,
can say, PwC. If
sir.
your interview will be okay, if
Mm,
you have good
mm,
information, then definitely they will consider you have 3 year of experience. So don't worry about it. I will do everything. I am very confident person in it. I believe I can say. Okay. So only
mm,
understand the content of the SAP PM training. That will be easy for you to moreover, go through this demo. Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
can we
sir.
proceed?
Yeah, sir, sure.
Yeah. So in SAP, there are two different kind of module. One is a technical module. Second one is a functional module. So basically you are from the functional module and here you can see PM equal to, or I can say PM stands for plant maintenance. Okay, the person who have done BTech or B in mechanical easily can understand PM. That's why I have given or added this sheet for your better understanding. Now I'm moving for the next. This is a history of SAP. So SAP was founded in 1972 and how they have developed, they have upgraded their product. Okay, as per the period of time. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
journey of SAP. Now this is the history in detail. I want to go for the basic things like what is SAP landscape, what is server. So here you can see this picture. This is the picture. It's ECC development, ECC production, ECC quality. So these are the server. These are the basic three server where we will start work. We will do development server, and we will test in quality, and then we will transport that part to production. Okay, so this is a very easy step. No need to much worry about it. This is the structure of SAP. How this means how the structure of SAP is. Okay, and we have to understand how it works. Suppose that there are three different type of server: presentation server, application server, database server. So in database, the data will be stored. Application server will receive data from database and send it to presentation server for user. Okay, and presentation server is nothing but a user, and user can give input or command to get data from the database, and application server will help. So this is the technical information about the SAP architecture. Okay, so this is not relevant to you, but only for your better understanding, I will explain. Okay, and I will cover during the training. This is the SAP login screen where we will use our credentials and we will access SAP. So Vinay sir will provide us a SAP credentials. Okay, and we will access the SAP from here itself. So this is the initial screen. Okay, this is the SAP initial navigation. From here we will access SAP system. It is a very eco-friendly, I can say, very user-friendly server. It will not take much time and you will easily understand. It is a very easy part. Okay, this is
Okay,
a
sir.
totally functional things. Only you have to but just you have focus for 1 hour. Definitely you will understand. Within 2 3 days, you will understand what is SAP, how it works, what is the function, how we can
Sir.
use this SAP system. Okay, now this is the SAP navigation. This is the project. And one more thing I want to clear here. I will cover implementation. Mostly, I will work after theoretical part. We will work for the implementation project because implementation project is highly in demand. Each and everyone are I can say every recruiter are asking to candidate, have you done in implementation or not? because they are mostly focusing on implementation, because implementation is a big project, or I can say it is important for every I can say every industry perspective. Okay,
Okay.
so we will cover all of the project, what kind of thing, what kind of activity happen during this project, what we do, what is our role, what is our responsibility, how we will deploy the project, and how we will complete our all of the activity. So lot of things are there, which is not easy for me to make you understand right now. And
Yeah,
this is
sir.
the project implementation. This is the two different type of project implementation to implement two different kind of SAP product, or I can say SAP ERP system. And this is the roadmap for SAP methodology. This is for the activity which we do in SAP methodology. This is the activate methodology. What are the phases and what we do in different phases. Okay, so
Hmm.
lot of things are there which are going to maybe are going to cover during the training. This is the SAP ERP system. This is the one central system. By this system, different type of department are interconnected. Okay, like asset department, R&D department, finance, service, sourcing, procurement, manufacturing, supply chain, sales. But you are from the asset management or plant maintenance department. Okay.
And sir, the plant maintenance is one bit confusion I have. Plant
Mhm.
maintenance is different. Asset management is different. Huh?
Now, both are different.
Okay.
What I can say, at the global level in the sense, I can say in foreign country, US, UK, Germany, they called enterprise asset management. But in India,
Hmm.
we use that word as a plant maintenance. Both
Okay.
are similar.
In that case, we can call plant maintenance is also called as EAM,
Yes,
Enterprise Asset Management, right?
perfect, perfect.
Sir.
Perfect. Here I have written SAP
Hmm.
Asset Management is a module in SAP Enterprise Resource Planning system that helps to organization manage or track their fixed assets. It purpose to provide a centralized and automation solution for managing the complete life cycle of asset from acquisition to disposal. Okay, so basically they use this word from the different perspective, but
But
the
it
meaning
both are same.
same. Yeah, the meaning is the same. So
Okay, sir.
this is the function of plant maintenance, because no one means every person are not aware with EAM. That's why we always
Hmm.
speak plant maintenance, because if you are not aware, that will confuse you to understand what is EAM, what is IAM, what is PM. But
Yeah, sir.
every words are same. So
Yeah, sir.
this is the SAP PM organization structure. How means, and basically this is an SAP system. Okay,
Hmm.
there will be a company, there will be a maintenance plant where maintenance execution will happen, there will be location, there will be maintenance plant where planning will be performed, there will be plant section, there will be planner group, there will be work center. So these part are belongs to SAP, I can say plant maintenance department. Okay, so what is the meaning of the maintenance plant? Maintenance plant is an organization unit within the logistics serving to subdivide enterprise according to procurement, maintenance, and material planning. Maintenance planning plant is a logical location where maintenance activity on technical object are planned and prepared. The maintenance planner group who plan and monitor the maintenance activity are defined at the maintenance planning plant. So these are the similar things which is related to your module or department. Okay, these are
Okay,
the
sir.
type of data. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of things because we don't have much time here. It will take some time because we are if we are going to understand complete information about the PM, we have to give some time because right now we are in I can say a demo mode. So it is not
Yeah,
easy for
sir.
me to cover everything.
Ye- Yes,
And
sir.
right now it will difficult for you to understand
Yeah,
even.
that also right, sir. It was
Yeah.
so difficult to in the initial stage only. I was also difficult to understand the concepts.
Yes. Yeah. I'm trying to make you understand in proper manner, but you have less information about this module. That's why. So this is the introduction of plant maintenance. This is the key function. Why we use SAP PM module for any kind of industry. Basically, we do inspection, we do preventive maintenance, we do repair work. And why we do inspection? So that we can check the actual condition of technical object, Why we do preventive maintenance? So that we can maintain high availability of technical objects, and we do repair work so that we can restore the technical condition, actual condition of technical object. So here I want to get one example. Suppose that you have one bike, even you, I can say ride a scooty, but just I'm taking one example of scooty or bike. Suppose that you usually you use a bike or a scooty to go office, okay, but one day what happened? Your bike get breakdown. Breakdown in the sense clutch wire got damaged. What will be happen? So in this case, you can't use your scooty or bike to go office, right? First, you have to do some repair work from the local shop, or I can say some local, shop or local agency, right?
Huh.
Then you can use your bike or scooty to go, I can say, office. So this is the one example where suppose if we have asset like if you have car, you use your car to go office, but sometime your car got breakdown, some of the reason, due to some of reason, I can say. So you have to understand what is the reason behind it, why your car is stop working, and what is the malfunction with this car. So you will try to troubleshoot, or you will try to do some root cause, right? Then you will find some malfunction. Oh, due to this reason your car got breakdown. So you have to do some immediate repair work. Then you can recover your car from breakdown condition to actual condition. Then after you can use that car for your purpose. Otherwise, your work will hamper. Sometimes you have seen in picture, someone are going to office and suddenly a bike tire puncture, got tire puncture. Some time of incident happen usually, right? So we do some repair work. So all of the repair work, all of the inspection work, all of the care work, we consider maintenance in industry. This
Yes.
is the main theme of this, or I can say this is the beauty of SAP PM system. So it will be easy for you to understand then what kind of benefit you can get once if you will do maintenance of your car or your bike or your scooter. So you can improve asset management, you can increase efficiency, you can do better decision making, you can do better maintenance planning, you can enhance the equipment utilization, and you reduce the cost. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the benefit. These all of the question asked in interview, and
Okay.
this is the SAP PM business process, or what I can say in other word, this is the type of maintenance.
Huh.
What
Okay,
we
sir.
do, what do you mean by corrective maintenance? What do you mean by breakdown? What do you mean by
Breakdown.
preventive? So these five are the SAP PM standard business process, or I can say type of maintenance. So
Yes, sir.
only for five different kind of maintenance we are going to take training so that we can understand what is the corrective maintenance, breakdown, preventive refurbishment, and how we are going to do this maintenance in SAP PM system.
Hmm.
Because this module is a very important for any kind of industry. If equipment will not available, they can't do production. If equipment got breakdown, they can't do production. And if production will hamper, so that will be very, I can say, loss for them. Okay, so this
Okay,
is the
sir.
main reason. So this is the introduction about the corrective maintenance breakdown. This is the flow of the corrective maintenance, how we do this maintenance in SAP CM system. After that, this is the end-to-end cycle. First, what we do. This is the total theoretical part, I can say. Once you will understand the theoretical part, it will easy for you to do in practical. And practical is also easy. Even you will be not able to remember this theoretical, but you will remember the practical things because
Yeah,
you
sir.
are doing practically more and more, the
Practice and
theoretical.
all, then
Yes,
automatically we can get the theoretical from our own formation thing.
right, right. So these are the all of the about the, I can say, refurbishment, calibration, then what are the reporting. So these are the standard SAP PM report. And
Sir.
after this training, where and which type of industry, and you will get a chance to work, and who will help you to crack the interview. So don't about it. I will help you. I will prepare yourself. I will help you to get a, or I can say get a job in different kind of industry. These are the industry type, like Deloitte, EY, PwC, KPMG, Cognizant, Infosys, KPMG, Genpact, Wipro, like that company. Okay,
Yeah,
so
sir.
this is the all about the, I can
Yeah,
say,
sir. Yeah, as you have said, we are going to place in this IT industry, right? And
yeah,
the as of IT industry, they will concentrate on the BGV thing, right, sir?
right, right, but yeah,
BGV in the sense our PF
background
thing.
verification,
Yeah, sir. But PF verifications will be ongoing on the deep, right?
right, right,
Yeah,
right,
and yesterday also I was why, because before joining I need to have some clarity, right? So I thought to asking you also. I was
yeah, please.
before I was working in two company, right? In COVID time I was
Mm-hmm.
joined to one of the company. When I joined,
Mm-hmm.
then only I got to know it was some consultancy. So I left
Right.
and I restart with the PwC. But I have
Okay.
shared my document. They have created my PF account.
Okay.
The PF account, the joining date with my two companies same, sir. That was the
Mm-hmm.
issue. So
Mm.
whether it will take with how you people will take on that.
Actually, don't worry about it. They will consider your previous things. Okay. Once
Sir.
one, suppose if they have created two different PF account with two different organization, so that is
Hmm.
easy. But we have to check. Okay. So once we will get connect, we will check first. Okay. Check in the sense, what is the service period they have mentioned for two different organization. Okay.
No, sir. No, I
Yeah.
was PwC is correct, sir. From joining date and exit date is current.
Okay.
Middle with the middle of that Wipro thing and PwC, I joined that company, but I
Mm-hmm.
never worked on that. So they have mentioned joining date and exit date same.
Okay, 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 I got it, got it, got it.
So you people give some clarify on that, means I was ready to start, because that thing only was in my mind,
That is not
because
a, that is not an issue. That is not an
Uh,
issue. I can.
Sir,
Yeah,
she
please.
she tried to say that
Mm-hmm.
on one company she has joined. Like suppose today she has joined a company,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
and she
Mm-hmm.
left today. But what company did? They have today created a PF account for her. But at the same
Okay.
day, when he left this company, at the
Mm.
same day she joined PwC, and
Mm.
PwC on same date again create a PF account. Means two
Yes.
different on a same day, two different company created two provident fund. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so she is concerned about like is there any problem into this once I will get joining in any other company. So she is
No.
concerned
No.
about this.
No. Why? Because suppose if she has joined on suppose first Jan 2023, okay, and left on the same day, and
sir.
second day she had joined different organization. So you have any document for that organization which you have joined, like
Yeah, sir,
yeah.
I joined and I not work even one day also, and immediately I join, I accept this offer and I have continued.
Okay, just wait. Just let me ask you some more question on that. What I want to ask, you
Sir,
have some
whether
releasing
I
letter?
share my that service history now, sir, you will get to know.
Yeah, please
Miss
just wait, wait,
Kalavati
wait.
sir is asking like you have any document in which the last company you have joined. So you have document or a previous company document. I think you have left, so you don't have any document like experience letter or anything.
No,
He means
sir.
to ask like last year company. So you have all the document now for PwC.
Previous company, I have all the documents, sir. Everything I
Okay,
have.
don't worry. So let me clear your doubt. Suppose if you have joined one company and left the same day,
Huh.
don't don't give information about the company.
Oh,
Okay,
why?
only
Because I was asking, they will ask our service history only, no, sir, to verify. So that, but then
don't
they will
worry.
get to know. Huh.
Yeah, yeah, definitely they will get, but they will understand. Suppose if you have joined one company and left on the same day,
Hmm.
definitely, okay, if they have created PF
Hmm.
number, it's not a problem, it's not an issue because you have left the company within one day.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
if you have
Exit date and
accepted,
joining date mentioned, sir. Same
yeah,
joining
so
date,
don't worry,
same exit
don't
date.
worry, don't worry. This is not an issue. Okay, because exit date and joining date is the both same, and it is already mentioned your service history in PF.
Yes.
No need to worry about it. Only we are going to focus on two company. First one is a Wipro, second one is a PwC. If you have worked for 2 years in Wipro and
One.
1 year work for a PwC,
Yes, sir.
provide them only those detail which you have. Don't worry about the detail or information or the activity you have done in past and you don't have any information. They will only check your in background verification. They will only check for these company which you are giving them or you are declaring that. So is it correct or not?
Okay,
Suppose
sir.
suppose in my case what happened. Previously I have worked for a 3 year in a domain.
Huh, sir.
Okay, but after 3 year I have joined IT company as a, I can say, Tech Mahindra. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so what happened? Tech Mahindra have given me PF number. I work for suppose I have worked for 5 years. After that I have joined PwC. I have worked 3 years. I have done. So in this case, what I am doing? I am not giving any of the information last three company or last 3 years. I'm only giving information from the Tech Mahindra. When I have, so you can understand there will be some gap in my resume. You have completed BTech in 2010, but you have start work in 2013. What is the gap between? So we tell we have worked for a domain, but for this period, I'm not going to declare any of the document. I'm not going to declare any of the experience. That's why they not consider any kind of thing for that period.
Because that was I was with my surroundings. I was seeing that kind of thing, sir. Because they will
Right.
take our service history full for the BGV and
Hmm.
everything. We have to maintain all the company, and if it is a overlap, we need to specify the reason thing and all. So I thought asking you,
They
sir.
consider, even they consider. Don't worry.
In
Suppose,
TCS, Accenture, in IBM, all are they are purchased the tool for the BGB only. No, sir, they have investing most of the
yeah, yeah, I
money.
know,
Yeah,
I know, I know, I
yeah,
know,
sir.
I know very well. And what they do, even apart from tool, they have a separate team. They do
Sir.
background verification. They call, and basically they will ask you some document. If they
Yeah,
will
sir.
ask you some clarification, so you have to only provide them a document. Once you will provide, then everything will be clear. Suppose if you have joined the company and left the same day, in this
Uh,
case, you will not have a, I can say, relieving letter, or
no,
you have.
sir, I not have.
Yeah, so don't
Okay,
worry
sir.
about it. It is not an issue for your whole career. Once you will join, everything will be clear. And all of top companies do background verification, like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, IBM, Accenture, Deloitte. These companies do, but it is not mandatory. You are going to, suppose if you will join AS Technology, it is from even it is in Bangalore, so you can start your career from there. Don't worry about. There are some middle level company where you can start your career at a trainee level even. Okay. Moreover, you have to focus on your the content. Whatever the training you are going to take, you have to focus on your knowledge and information. How you are going to prepare yourself for the interview first. Once you
Sir.
will crack the interview, and I have seen what, once you will join the company, they don't even they will find some of the wrong with your documentation. They will not try to fire you immediately. They will think how they can retain you. Okay, because they are human being. Don't worry about it. If it happen, in case if you have done some, I can say, cheating. Okay,
Sir.
but you have not done any kind of thing. Okay.
Sir, and if we are supposed to, I know, sir, we not to choose any particular company. As my thought, we as a girls, we go with the TCS or IBM. It is safer to survive at least 4 to 5 years. They will not remove, right, sir? So I was.
Even Infosys, I can say, Infosys, or in even I can say IBM and Accenture, they not fire it. They will give you chance. They will give you, at least they will keep you on bench for 6 months, and they will give you, please prepare yourself for next module, or they will suggest you to enhance your skill. They
Sir.
they don't do that like that. If they will do, so you will get information, but they don't do. Even I can imagine this.
No, I
So first,
not got to your point, sir. What you are
no,
saying?
no. What I want to tell, if suppose, if once you will join the organization, so you can work for a long period of time. Suppose in between, if you don't have any project, so you will be on bench for
Sir.
certain period of
Correct.
time,
Sir.
right? This is my understanding. So they will tell you, right now we don't have project. Please work on enhancing your skill. Once project will come, we will allocate you.
Yeah, sir. Correct.
Yeah, and once you will join Infosys, Accenture, so you can work for 5 years or more than 20 years. It's up to you. If you
Sir.
really want to, maintain both, I can say life, balance life work like that,
So,
so you can maintain.
yeah, sir, correct. For girls, it's comfortable to join that type of company. But you are
Right.
saying why you are apart from that, you can join middle company, right?
No, no.
So,
Middle company, you don't have information about the Yes Technology. Yes Technology is a company which give more and more flexibility to their employees.
okay, sir.
Right
I don't
now,
know, sir. Really, I don't
yeah,
know to that.
and and easily you will get a chance to work with a Yes, because mostly they give opportunity to fresher. Today I have seen one post to trainee plant maintenance consultant, but
Sir.
but you have to prepare yourself for the interview at least.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
So lot of things I have. If right now I have joined this with, I can say, my mobile. I can show you lot of students are doing some interview work. So just I want to show you. This is the Manish Tripathi. Recently, he had joined, not joined. He had attended interview for IBM.
As
Jan,
a which module, sir?
SAP PM.
PM. Okay, sir.
Yeah, here you can see IBM, SAP HANA, SEM, PMJD. Request for update resume, PAN, Aadhaar. Okay. So Manish have given me information. So I am attending this interview. What I have to do? Plant maintenance experience with support, 2 to 4 year of experience. So this for the, I can say, experienced person. Second one is the same for the Manish. This is for the, I can say, Capgemini. Okay,
Sir.
so Manish have attended 3 to 4 interview previous year. This is the for Accenture. Shruti Manchunatha, Accenture.com. This is for
But as a we have fresher, no sir, then how we will opportunities?
definitely you will get. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
I will do the some magic work, like I will build your, I can say, build your resume. I will build your profile. So it's totally depends on your Naukri profile. Once your Naukri profile will prepare, you will get a call. And our training and placement cell also help you to refer your profile in a reputed organization. We are
Okay.
here completely provide you complete support to you. Apart from this, if you have any further doubt, you can ask.
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
lot of students are coming, lots of are, it's totally depends on your hard work and
Sir.
your luck. I will give you 100%. Okay. So don't worry about it.
Okay, sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. I don't think to give you more and more clarity over, giving proof about our, institute and other things. So you will get one, I can say, a good quality training and a good support from us. Definitely you can achieve your career goal. So I have done Venus.